Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in Roblox Studio and we're going to be learning how to create a typewriting effect. And what a typewriting effect does is that this label here will generate a text, the text that we want, and it will type it out. So the text will come out and it will come, and so how we type, what it looks like when we type, the typewriting. That's a typewriting effect. We will learn how to create that today. So first, you want to create a screen GUI and the starter GUI called typewrite UI. Then a frame. Then an image label for the character here. Then the text label where you're gonna record your text. Then add in a script and edit that script. It will say print hello world here, so just delete that. And let's get started. So first you're going to want to create a function which we will use to create this typewriting effect. So the code we use for the function is local function typewrite. Then inputs of text label and text. Then for I equals 1 comma hashtag text do text label dot text equals string dot sub text comma 1 comma I. That's the code to do it, but then we're gonna want to wait 0.02. Now if you see the this black box, then just press insert on your keyboard and you'll get rid of it. And that is the function complete. Then we're gonna use the function, so typewrite we're gonna typewrite script dot parent dot text label comma and then the text. Welcome to this video. And then 5. And that is the close. So we can press play and load into the project. I wonder why this is not loading. So we've got the functions for it. So and it says in the player genuine dot player GUI dot typewrite dot UI dot frame dot script invalid argument 1 to sub. Perhaps you have to do something differently, like this. Perhaps this is the error. You have to increase the amount of space. Because it's possible that's the issue. It's not. Okay, what seems to be the issue here? We put in text label. We should have had text. So let's move this back. So we put in text label and we should have put in text. Silly me. Do not do that. So welcome to this video. And it works perfectly. And if you want to add another one, you can copy all of that and then do it wait 3 seconds or however long you want to wait. Then So and then press play. Welcome to this video. How are you? And that works. And if you want to get rid of it at the end, then you can wait 3 seconds and then script.parent.enabled equals false. Then at the start, script.parent.enabled equals true. And being scripters, we can notice that we are repeating the same code twice. Get rid of this. So we can do local GUI equals script.parent.parent. Then GUI.enabled equals true. And then GUI.enabled equals false. And if we wanna and we can also put in the frame one. Local frame equals script equals GUI.frame. That works. And we can test that it gets rid of the GUI by pressing play. So welcome to this video. How are you? And it is gone. But if you want to look more professional, you can get rid of the GUI.enabled to false. And GUI.enabled is true. Actually no, keep GUI.enabled is true. Then we put in frame, we can now do this. Frame on tween position. Now tweening is the movement of a UI from one position to another. And we can do it using udim2.new 0, 0, -1, 0. Now this udim2 position will move the UI, move the frame from where it currently is now down off the bottom. And then we can also we can create some variables up here. Local ed, which is ease in direction equals enum.ease in direction .out, and then local ease in style equals enum.ease in style .elastic. But if we're using elastic, I would use an elastic. I will get rid of the -1 and change it to a 1. And then ES. That just saves typing a lot of code multiple times. So ES 5 because it's elastic. False. So we do not want to override any other actions any other in progress tweens. We do not want to override. And that is the code. Then we can wait 5 seconds, which we can get from here, and then GUI.enabled equals false. And that is the code. So press play. And what we should get now is quite impressive. Welcome to this video. How are you? Then it tweens to 1. Udim2 0, 0, 1, 0. So let's change it to -1. Welcome to this video. How are you? And the elastic to the top, but I do prefer it to stick to the bottom. So what we're going to speed this up, we're going to wait 1, then wait 1, and wait 5 because it's going to be like that. So we're going to speed this up. Press play. Welcome to this video. How are you? And tween. And that is an elastic tween. You can still see it at the bottom, and it's no longer visible, which is good. And if we want to trigger it from a UI being pressed, then we can in the typewriter UI, actually no, in the frame, we can do not a text label, but a text button. And we can put in the text of trigger. Of course, you can change this to whatever you want. And we're going to create a new variable up here called local trigger equals script.parent text button. So trigger mouse button one click next function trigger so GUI.enabled equals true. Then copy all of this and delete it. Paste it into here. And that works. And copy this function, delete it, and paste it in front of this, otherwise this will not run. And there we go. Press play, and hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, then we can try and identify the error. So it's running a no output message. So now we can trigger, then welcome to this video. Awesome. But then because it appears on the screen at the moment, we can put in GUI.enabled equals false. There we go. And the final test of this video, we can press play. That's interesting. The button was on. Okay. So we can move this text button. So button UI. So screen GUI. Button UI. Then drag the text button into the button UI. Get rid of the text button and put it back in. We do not want a frame, but we want a text button. So we can drag that in. I'm going to leave it saying button. And then in here, we can trigger into script.parent. So we can do game.starterGUI button UI text button. And that will work. Hopefully. And then it will set the enabling of this to false. So hopefully it works. Let's have a look. It's up. What seems to be the issue? So we pressed the button, but nothing appeared. Yeah, so it seems that the button got a little bit of an error with it, so we can get rid of that. Copy, delete, put in, then paste. So we can get rid of that function. So do I enable these true? Do I enable these false? And here we go. Last test of the episode, hopefully. welcome to this video. The button we can get rid of. How are you? And Tween out. So, we can get rid of the button UI now. And that is the end. That is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel, as it really helps the channel out. And it's free, so why not? And if you want to see more tutorials like this, comment below what you want to see, and I'll try and get it done. And thanks so much for watching, seeing future episodes, and see you later.